My name is Sam Knox and I'm studying props and scenery at WAAPA. Before I came here, I'd already studied at Murdoch University and I did a theatre degree there, and I loved it, but it wasn't as practical as I maybe wanted it to be. So I didn't know that this course existed, and then I came to the open day and I looked around the workshop and I thought, this is exactly where I need to be, because it provides the practical skills that you need when you're going out. And if I wanted to design my sets, then I could at least make them. Before I came here, I had no hand tool skills. I didn't really know how to use a drill. I didn't know how to use a drop saw or anything like that. But since coming here, I learned how to weld, I learned how to sculpt, I've sort of improved my painting skills, and also being able to read AutoCAD drawings and drafting drawings and be able to produce set builds out of that. The reason I chose WAAPA was because it's the only course in Australia that offers this kind of curriculum where you learn set construction, prop building, scenic art, and backstage work, and we get a lot of experience in all areas of those faculties because we do so many shows. I've done 14 shows over the past 3 years here, and I've done a different role on each and also been able to build on each of those roles as I move forward in my time at WAAPA. I would definitely recommend WAAPA as an experience. I think that it's a really interesting place to be. It is very practical. It's really hard work, but it's a lot of fun, especially the workshop. I think the workshop is one of the funnest places to be at WAAPA. After studying for 3 years at WAAPA, I could walk into a workshop around Perth or nationally or internationally and have a basic understanding of that kind of workshop and feel comfortable in my own talents to be able to thrive there.